Hey guys, Cody from Automotive. I want to do a wrap up on the Viper GTS-R. I don't know what the difference is between this and an ACR, but it's a Viper. This guy we removed full front PPF. So we removed old paint protection film, got it cleaned up safely. We did full body paint protection film. We ceramic coated all the film once we were done with the PPF. And then we removed the wheels and ceramic coated the wheels. So pretty much everything except window tint on this guy. Some of the details, again, the guys in the industry will know that you can't do the newer style Viper clamshells in one piece of film, even with 72. But there's two different ways you can do this particular clamshell when we have the racing stripes. So if you were to use just the standard kit, you're going to have a seam, which you're always going to have a seam on this hood, it doesn't matter. If you use the standard pattern, you're going to have a seam right here along this body line. And on white, doesn't matter how good the seam is, you're going to see it. So the way we do this is we do it a little bit more custom to where we don't plot anything for this clamshell. But what we do, we still have to do it in 3 pieces, but we marry the film up on the racing stripe. So now you can't, even if you're an inch away, you can't tell that there's a seam there. Versus if you were to try and put the seam on the white color, you're going to see it in a month or a year down the road. You're just going to have dirt lodged in that seam. So this is how we prefer to do this particular hood when we have a racing stripe. It's a much cleaner way of doing it. And it just looks 10 times better than if you were to have a more exposed seam. Other than that, it's a fairly straightforward Viper. We don't do the 3-piece roof. We do it in one single piece out of a 72-inch piece of film. That way, again, if you had to do it in 3 pieces, you could always do the same thing, marry it here on the racing stripe. But on this one, we can fit it on a 72, so we prefer to do this all in one piece. It just makes it cleaner long term. And then, yeah, pretty straightforward on the wrap. Just try and hide the film, hide the edge of the film everywhere we can, keep it as clean and as seamless as possible. Ceramic coat it so it's easy for the customer to clean. Same with the wheels, make the wheels easy to clean. And yeah, it's in really good shape. He wants to keep it looking that way, and this is the only way to do it, with full PPF and the ceramic coatings. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, holler. Hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.